Oh, he even got it open.
You got the biscuit?
No, he saw a toy, I think. What's in there?
Where's the biscuit?
Get it!
Get it open.
Get it!
Get it.
Look at him. He's pretty
He
damn
loves
good at
biscuits.
this. Open in there.
Oh, look what you got! Santa Claus brought you good stuff.
Oh my God, that is
He needed some new toys, huh? He wants the biscuit.
He doesn't care about the toys.
Where's the biscuit? Right here. Right here.
Are you going to throw away that dirty rotten cat?
Yeah, I am.
No, he loves that toy.
Ooh.
I didn't change these yet.
Very
Oh,
cool.
those are
I love
cool.
those.
Sister, she got me.
Your sister?
And hoop
I like your
earrings,
nose ring.
and
I didn't even know
I'm
that.
gonna put like
Oh.
the other earrings she got me in this.
Doesn't like it.
No, you don't like the hoop?
Does it have to be a certain size?